Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we're going to discuss the fiber optic ceiling trends and ideas in 2026. Imagine lying on your bed and looking up, and instead of a plain ceiling, you see a glowing light sky, soft color waves, or tiny stars twinkling gently above you. Sounds dreamy, right? In 2026, fiber optic ceilings are no longer just a luxury feature. They are becoming one of the most futuristic and creative interior design trends across homes, cafes, offices, and even wellness spaces. So if you're planning a renovation, a new build, or just looking for cutting-edge decor inspiration, this video is for you. What is a fiber optic ceiling? Before we jump into trends, let's quickly understand what a fiber optic ceiling actually is. A fiber optic ceiling uses ultra-thin fiber cables that transmit light from a single source. These fibers don't carry electricity at the ceiling level, which makes them safe, energy efficient, and perfect for artistic lighting designs. The real magic? Each tiny fiber point can act like a star, a glow dot, or part of a larger visual pattern. Number 1. Starry sky and galaxy ceiling, the top trend of 2026. One of the biggest trends in 2026 is the realistic starry sky ceiling. Designers are creating ceilings inspired by galaxies, constellations, and even Milky Way effects. Some designs include randomly scattered stars, while others follow actual astronomical star maps. These ceilings are extremely popular in bedrooms, home theaters, meditation rooms, and luxury villas because they instantly create a calming, emotional, and immersive experience. Color shifting and gradient ceilings living light effect. In 2026, static light feels outdated. The new trend is dynamic fiber optic ceiling that smoothly change colors. Imagine warm amber tones in the evening, cool blue shades at night, and soft pastel hues in the morning, all flowing seamlessly across your ceiling. These gradient effects make the ceiling feel alive and are especially popular in modern living rooms, lounges, and creative studios. Number 3. Minimalistic glow design. Luxury in simplicity. Not everyone wants a dramatic star show, and designers know that. Minimalistic fiber optic ceilings are trending in 2026 for people who prefer elegance and calm. Instead of dense lighting, only a few fiber points are used to create a soft floating glow. These designs work beautifully in Scandinavian, Japanese, and modern minimalistic interiors, where light enhances space without overwhelming it. Number 4. Artistic patterns and optical illusions. Another exciting trend is using fiber optics to create art-inspired ceilings. Designers are forming waves, spirals, geometric curves, and abstract shapes that appear three-dimensional. When the light intensity changes, the ceiling seems to move or breathe. This trend is especially popular in cafes, luxury showrooms, hotels, and high-end commercial spaces where visual impact matters. Number 5. Smart and interactive fiber optic ceilings. Welcome to the future. Fiber optic ceilings in 2026 are getting smart. Many systems now integrate with smart home technology, allowing you to control brightness, color, and patterns using a mobile app or voice commands. Some advanced setups even sync lights with music modes or time of day, turning the ceiling into an interactive experience rather than just decor. Number 6. Wellness-focused and mood-enhancing ceiling. Wellness-based interiors are a massive trend in 2026, and fiber optic ceiling fit perfectly into the concept. Soft blue tones promote relaxation, warm colors reduce stress, and slow twinkling effect help calm the mind. That's why these ceilings are increasingly used in spas, therapy rooms, yoga studios, and even bedrooms for better sleep quality. Number 7. Sustainable and energy efficient design choice. Sustainability matters more than ever in 2026. Fiber optic ceilings use a single light source and consume very little energy compared to traditional lighting. They also generate minimal heat, making them safe and long-lasting. This makes them an eco-friendly yet visually stunning option for modern interiors. In 2026, ceilings are no longer ignored. They are becoming the fifth wall of design. From starry skies to smart mood-changing lighting, fiber optic ceilings are transforming spaces into experiences. So tell me in the comment, would you choose a galaxy ceiling, a minimalistic glow, or a smart interactive design? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more future-ready interior design trends. Thank you.